say teachers when they share. Why are you sitting there?
Sir,
come on out!
Sir, students are here.
I said out!
Sir, but it's a school.
Out! Out! Come on.
So look at what Change is doing.
Opoku.
It's a
Please,
school
can
meeting.
you excuse us?
It's a school meeting, so
Please,
why can't
can you excuse us?
Opoku, please.
Out. Please, can you excuse us? I said out.
Stop being recalcitrant. Eh?
Stupid like you are. Is that say he's standing? I said out.
Here. What kind of student are you?
He's challenging us.
Opoku, excuse us.
Please
excuse us.
Out. I said I'm not saying standing over the front of this.
I should out from the meeting.
Just say it. Out.
Maya, why would you hit
Out. Out. This boy is the vagabond boy. Out.
Madam, look at what this teacher is doing.
What am I doing?
But I'm passing by, you hit my neck.
Who hitting your neck?
You hit my neck. Am I a children?
Teeth go and come in pay so
don't you respect us?
Oh, what you leave him.
I'm out.
He's gone.
We not say cross the corner, we say out.
Mr. Imai, I am disappointed.
For what?
From the look of things, this that just happened shouldn't be. If not for the fact that you have stood so low, how should a student disrespect you, even in front of your students, his colleagues? That is because you have made it. You have come down to their level. Mr. Imai, why would these girls fight over you? What is happening in this school? Imai, you should be an example worthy of emulation. These girls were brought to school to be under your care. If not for anything, you should train them in a way that when they go back home, even society would be proud of you. Why is it the reverse? Why should it be the opposite? Imai.
Madam Hannah, I'm disappointed on you. Yeah. Why? Because it's not true. It's not true.
Blatant liar. Imai, you are a liar. Girls, why were you fighting? Pressure.
Madam.
Why were you girls fighting on the streets?
Madam, we're not fighting.
Precious, you look too innocent to lie. Precious. Looking at your face, I thought you couldn't even lie to save your life. So why are you lying now?
Madam, I'm not lying. Madam, we're not. You can ask Anderson. We're not fighting.
Anderson,
Madam.
what was the reason for your fight?
Madam, we didn't fight.
Okay, then let me ask you this question. So, what were you guys doing when one was coming?
We were fighting.
Oh no.
Yeah,
So, what were you doing? Just answer me. What were you doing?
We were rehearsing. Yes, then we were talking about
Rehearsing on.
Rehearsing on a movie.
Sir Blackie, I'm so disappointed in you.
For what reasons?
Asemi buying Akabenezer say, "Won't be best friend," but you call me in front of students. Then you disgrace me. Mummy say, "Omo we jina on say, a man and now students we jina. So why? And say, me number crowd, and I'm a kasano. I'm a teacher. Obiting a back up at school. Some children at the end. Let me know piano and uncle chimpana. Hey, please, Madam Hannah, I'm so disappointed in you.
Imai, no. If this is a first one you want to play, cut it. You cannot outsmart us. Asantua, what's the fight between you girls? Why were you fighting over Imai?
Madam, we were rehearsing. Rehearsals.
Asantua, for the last time. Asantua, look into my eyes and tell me why
Madam,
you girls.
I'm looking. We were rehearsing.
Yeah.
Madam,
What happened?
nothing happened. They are telling you the truth.
I don't think they are ever ready to speak the truth.
Oh, say.
We must force the truth out of them. Hey. What is his name? He has this name. Fanfula. Does Fanfula not pass you girls by when you were fighting?
Madam, it wasn't a fight.
Madam, he was even the one encouraging us to do it more.
So, Madam Hannah, who told you? Is it Fanfula or?
Yes, Fanfula.
Fanfula told you.
And then he can't lie as well.
Fanfula, he's a liar.
Fanfula is a liar.
He's a liar.
Lie against you.
But no one knows who ha what bro see abura. A confusion or person creating. He creating confusion. He can't confusion. He's a liar.
Oh, what was he?
Yes.
He borrows
He
money
came
from
to ask
us.
for money and I didn't give it to him. I'm sure that's the reason.
Yes.
So if he called the Bosian no come, then he's starting creating confusion.
Lying.
No.
Because after telling me, he asked me that I know him 15 days.
Yes. He was coming to tell you because of money.
Madam,
Yeah.
they are just fabricating the story.
No, we are not.
No,
I know my
That's
students.
true.
Lucky.
Sir, please, we are telling you the truth.
No.
We are not lying.
Say money. Let me tell you.
True.
Offenses are natural, but how you do respond to it makes it evil.
I know offense by nature, but don't ever follow Fanfula. He is a liar. He started creating confusion in this school, in this campus.
I know Fanfula. I have known him for years, but he can never lie. He can't lie.
Even that, why would he lie against you, a teacher for that matter? And even these girls. We must dig the truth out of them.
You're right, madam.
Madam, please, can I talk?
What is it?
We are 4. And we are telling you the truth. What that guy is saying is not the truth.
Excuse me.
Madam, please, we were not fighting.
How can I take you by your word?
Madam, 5
Even-
against 1. His
Precious.
words against ours.
Precious, it will be in your good interest to confide in us. Because maybe this issue, if handled earlier, would save further inevitabilities. But if you cover him up just to save your faces, believe you me, one day, just in case.
Oh, Madam, we are not fighting. Precious, I think you are my bestie.
Madam, how can we fight?
Yes, we are
I'm suspecting
besties.
you girls too.
Madam, are you not my bestie?
Madam, how can we fight over a teacher? A teacher for that matter.
Anyway, it's like whatever the case is, if indeed it is not true, I'm wondering why Fanfula would lie against you at this temper justice with the rest. Because it's not to create animosity between you two. He's only a child. So please forgive him, okay? I know you. It is very dangerous if you have what you people against him. Maya, I'm talking to you.
I'm listening.
Whatever the case is, pardon him, okay? Fachana.
I'm okay.
I don't really say my question. And then you, I think you know the basis why you were brought here.
Yes, sir.
For us to nurture you, train you, for you to become someone in the future.
Yes, sir.
I've heard you are rivals. You guys are rivals to each other.
No, sir. We are not
We are
rivals.
friends.
Okay. Very soon your case will come before us. And then we get to know the truth in it. Madam, I think we can.
Are you sure all this will If you insist.
See you tomorrow.
Alright, be good, girl.
Okay, bye-bye. Hey, don't bring it.
You better keep quiet.
Hello, the assignment, have you done it? I've not done mine. I'll come to you.
Were you about to argue?
No, the assignment. We have to go to
I asked her to teach me. She doesn't want to. So.
Hey, you girls are tricksters.
No,
madam.
Disperse! Come on! Go to your rooms. Hurry up!
Pray that today it go be my day. Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. mbro so we meya. Me pese me kono.
I'll be a like talk give me
Brighton before us at 7-0. Chess for Mungu, you are going to 2-1. Now, say that you could back.
We are good. I'm fine. We are good. How are you? Okay.
We're actually going to China.
We were wondering if you could go to the mall with us.
With you?
Yes.
Oh, so do you have first yet?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Oh, we will go. And then Mama me shout at him like
No, we are just going with him.
Me alone?
Yeah.
Hey.
What's it?
As a form of apology for what I did.
I'm going to say, I'm going to make it nice.
Oh, what's it? You name to my Mrs. Sam.
No. We just asked for him. We didn't add your name to it. Yeah. Oh, we are really sorry. Another time.
What's that say? As a I'm just like a top and on the pie.
We are getting stuffs and then food as well. It wasn't even necessary for you to take lunch.
Oh, then.
So you go with us, right?
Oh yeah, why not? I'll go with you. That's boy energy.
Oh, nah, another time. Yeah, another time. Oh!
We didn't
add your name to it without saying. That's cool. We are just going with him.
Oh, 2 cases.
Me am jam by say for me kona.
I'm so money men kwana kwada amumi no. We could do actually hwe ne duane eguso na ebe ya.
Inside enye ye no.
Nti dimedi no de do.
O de fama ni di.
Ana anso am gari wa me trunk ni mo.
So better make you do it account.
Oh, but we can buy you something when you are coming.
Yes.
Yeah,
it's
okay. No.
What do you want?
Don't stress yourself. It's okay.
But you're not going with us. You know that.
Oh, boy no.
You're not going with us.
What do you want?
Also open then. I mean, drink come.
Are you going to buy food stuffs?
Yeah. And then food. I don't chew chicken, so we get meat and then sausages and then burgers and stuff.
I don't chew chicken, but
No.
you like sausage.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then buy the rice and stew and kitchen.
And
No,
what?
and what?
And then
And kitchen.
You just may have fun you in kitchen.
Oh my god.
You stand
okay.
We just signed for him. We didn't add your name to it.
So next time
when you go, you get into trouble.
Yeah, so next time.
Yeah. Next time we'll see you later.
Oh, we'll see
you next. What do you want? Just tell us.
Me then if you go, I go feel a store. If you pass,
I said, what do you want? Open day.
Huh?
Open day.
Me dem me penu ma be kam me no mo kwara ka ma kire he pe na ka o die na yan kwara yan kwara mi oh ye nyina yan kwara
it's not for you, it's just for the three of us.
The three of us.
Yeah.
You quite dey be saying what
stand.
Okay. No problem. I'll get it for you.
Oh, there we were. We be sure to omo pre what to so I say no makoye police case bi omo po watch.
Say what quite dey want you.
Huh?
Omo tin for me.
But mu ramo no do police case.
We don't have time.
Okay. So
Now can't we no omo Baba me come.
Why?
The moment I'm going to moko.
Yeah.
Why you ice cream?
Moko asaba.
Yeah.
Why? I you near mama.
Hey, person moko. More.
Yeah.
Hey, what will you bring me?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Then the mama me kona come in today.
No.
Kwana mo fami ko.
Opoku wants to go. Opoku don't go. That's what they're doing.
I dey move me. Move me ana.
The rules isn't.
Land
Chaba.
the start the more trip.
Yeah, Nchecho, we dey na shegu. By now do beti ma afar, is any dey nula.
Opesa.
What do you stand here this and then people. Come on land shegu. So na ga o Russia, na ga o Okwe.
Ayi o muso mu ne ko e wa mo wa. na work on. And come no more about almost can't almost from the factory in Akabenezer.
Pray that today it go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa na me nyo the party day.
So much more room, say people are mati, a place garden, a better school now, or your master.
Do you know how much I spent in this world?
It is very painful. It is very painful. Oh, and I mean, who know my council swap? Maybe I not offer problems with him. If they are back,
you say yet your hand on the fair.
What to me, the man be a room one, a peer come more. I don't know, the canteen at the micro when you
feast is sunny at the man. Say, I am on the fair. I couldn't be as I would stay with me as someone you more free. I don't want to order you on my fashion. Because I had the mobile, just at the moon, Mr. Quambia, and headmaster back Casa. I mean, transfer money in every hostel, baby.
How many boy, I was out on my bed. Was the old one, no more man.
Hostel, how many you must be hostel here? A moment in the yammy, why? You stand here, stand here. All of you, where are you going?
We went to the supermarket.
Hey, shut up! I will talk to headmaster. We move from all students from this hostel to another hostel. Just go. You go. Go.
We took Eziat.
Who give you Eziat?
Adam. Yo.
Who give you Eziat? The science teacher give you Eziat?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, go.
Okay.
I said go. Wait, Sika, who you the mouse of public school, no? And I want to tell you, master. Who say now in my semester? What will be our thing? The castle when you call, answer with now, we have to park some will be one on. What a monk. Mama smile.
Hey, we man cry the almond Adam, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Ice cream.
We really appreciate
ice cream.
What I appreciate this.
Oh,
I be ice cream.
Hey, oh, a dear partner, how? Sir, on Sunday, macho.
Of a mini shoe. Be so poor.
Who day?
Any minute, no one, I guess.
But me, a quavia, me fast will be moving in our free South Stay, Hano. Me fast. Your mouth Sika, near Town School. Just I will just get another year, master. Of a man, master. That's one honor. So,
what's a waffle who's on the man? But
I was saying, we are young men. I
know that kind of where you are, man. I give him.
Oh yeah, no, besides when I say when money come on.
No, come on, saying
what do you get?
I'm a museum. No, I'm
also church them. We say, look at
one check here. Every man you do not know, man. The man warning says, I can't say, I get Cocono and then an antibiotic. The man warning.
They do a 2 school Musa now. I say,
something I met you in a Miss Seska.
Yes, I would.
But you know why? Yenchaso me akwambia me faso ebe imo bu.
Esa na se busuafo ne bokasa.
Da, yedin.
Esa enye fa.
Wo de yedin. Na wo.
Opoku. Den of course you say na say wo na menim so be kan bia me ko wo na menim.
Na se me ka bi ma ntimi gina de be me ka.
Ba don ka hwe ma me.
Nipa na oba me say ayi omuko ukoja omu keke. Na me ka de be me. Mo na mo koi.
Ana no afa ni.
Oba na me say o ukoja omu na omukura sika na omu de kototo enyoma na omu so omukoja omu keke. Enshada ne case bia afa ni serious an. Enim say bia obeye na yi. Na ice cream no.
Na egu rubber white ni kuro mu no. Da asem na aba na asa ma manum kura ato. Ana asa me manum ato a maybe me na me kwa akwaja ma ukomu fama wo.
Ade moko e mo ye de okwan so.
Ya he bibia no an say you do more okra no. Ice cream na toy na. No mo ne ma no boy de na first supermarket na to drinks na. Asa.
Oko na mo nanti na mo nam say na wo nam fa no mo na
oh na ye na me kwa matem ho na girl kokoro no precious no ode ne nsa ye mi say na ase wasoso mi mu say nti no se sa vibe na me kwa ye kwa ase me twen se wa me se me fere ade ka nti no one why me say na ode ne nsa 2 mi sisi
precious na yes
kokoro no precious
no ode ne nsa 2 sisi
na ne ba nti hu me ofa no kra na ye de we yi ni say ni bia
me ko ofa ha
okay
ko ofa ha ba
so den kan ne shedan kan
there be want say yasem bi na ka wata me ka chen manka
they see what class one go
kan to the ice cream no tomorrow me ba osu oyo we say odene sa to
sisi odene da me sisi echi na eba na ye senti hu ye di free no one junction no so to hu me ofa wa no say
no yi ni sa
timi yasem ba kwa me chichi ma cho na hwesa asem ana
ye na ma feel am
ne say de bi anka cho say de besi bi ameka cho
ye yo for wasem pa
me kwa me odene sa fa me sisi echi no
ye susu je ho oya sa na say you bi ya
pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso me ya. Me person me come any months so me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh my Ukraine, oh my
Ada yo hostel nti otimu ndika na nka moko
oh me twan ti
so onye de o be din komo
anu
o ya so dey say untimi ndi na chi
na he dey
okay
aden komo be
dey fele yon komo ye be dey tube jina ya na atem onko wenim kakra
onko zo be ko hostel na me tewre munni komo ma excuse me
yeah precious I'm person me can some be true wrong. Tina to da mo hostel no no. Utimi shada bass ro say me be hwehwe Opoku wrong. And so na mo the girls on corner mo so my boss say be hwehwe Opoku. It was me
oh, why are you still standing here?
Oh,
just leave him.
Me that for man and I mean since
Opoku ye din wa mo gina wa no ye din.
Onu mom na me gina ho.
So no best man ka say ko.
Who do come on yan kona.
Like yeah, I don't know how to say it, but
nipa no becho Natalie sana ate. Oh, nipa no be sana Natalie ate.
Come on.
Oh. Nipa no pentema ko hostel. Onsu do gina.
When the cast open in.
But what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Mumie nu nyina.
Don't mind it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Hey, your hair is very nice.
So,
precious. I love you.
What?
Asema wo kan nipa na ojina nim kra
boy
nipa ojina nim kra wonte asa wo kasa she ohuni mu kasa she ohuni din komo ne wo din komo
aren't you sure it's because of what I did to you? We are trying to
no since that time me I love you since that time yeah but even let me tell you this big secret you are 90% part of the reasons why I came to this school. Oh yeah.
Where did you see me?
And I open
that one there. Bye, precious. Seriously, I love you.
Yeah, think about it.
Oh, think about it like
Opoku
problem this time.
Oh, nipa ne so be na wonya na woni Aroma te no.
Onya Aroma be na te. Ono no ntimi ka so ni be ma na te. Then I will twitwa
it. You don't mind him. I'll think about it.
Start me no di nkomo nyina wo so asese a.
Ono nte woni Aroma te. No okon baby.
Woni Aroma te sent won anya okwa na be kan bibia ma girl no na that na te sa.
Open nipa no woni twa so na obi na te. Won so open no.
Precious. I'll see you later.
Okay, later.
Ada one penny on.
Sana it is good. Don't mind. Scanty. Yeah, bro. Yeah, okay.
Forget every Babylonian.
We go meet at press time, okay.
Yeah, bounce over.
Also be
bounce you.
It's a kind Precious.
Yeah.
Don't mind.
So I said I'll think about it. I have to like settle. Okay, I have to know that
When?
it's not a revenge.
Oh,
I'm not with any guy. We've broken up. I thought you knew. Yeah.
Only Aroma jai sen ka me mint me be sin echi.
Say ka also chirem dada so
Yeah, he has moved on.
So one me
Now
can
you know. Now you know. Okay.
Boy, be ajeje bag me fadika.
Medical kwa.
Kodo me.
So I have to leave. I said I'll think about it.
Yeah, my precious.
Okay.
Like,
I'll think about it.
your response is not very clear to me.
I have to get to know that it's not revenge or something.
No, it's not
I've done
revenge.
a lot to you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. What about my
revenge?
revenge.
Oh! I'll slap you.
Yeah.
Oh no, encheno obo asumo.
Let him tell you.
Me.
So I said I'll think about it.
Yeah, but you shouldn't think about it because right now you are not with Aroma. Like, so I was saying the kind I know what I say. Like, yeah, but since Form 1, now we are in Form 3.
This is the same thing Aroma said to me, and then now I went through a lot, so I have to think about it. Okay.
Don't
touch me.
Precious. It's not.
That's what about cheap. Nipa na pay sisi a wo be pene. Okay, call now.
We are talking, I can't leave.
Din komai.
So the way na me show. So what John common Iddi? Uncle Dream was saying.
Iddi. To free that tone. Okay.
The bia upon a cultural class. This will be anyone who can. Boy. No.
Kuma pa ke ba pa na ye hwe Ghana kada. Akwa we minya so se be na wura school ma. Wait.
But you should know how to gossip nice. You see how he just gossiped and left.
Ah.
I thought you are nosy.
Precious, don't mind. So they make an opportunity. Aroma is break up.
So I'll think about it.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
I'll be waiting for a positive response.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Take care. Me wakra na. Wakra no me am jam me na ntwie.
Boy.
Again we Jimmy now. Now me nim se sana tie.
Precious
we Aroma ne na date. Kwasi ampanya Aroma ne na date so kope no.
Me fa me
nim say don't wo kope Precious.
Wo kra na wen me wan because me no waka again no asem na metimi ne kasa ma pen no so feel me.
Baby na Precious to kope na dey.
No ba.
Se wo po ba wo school ma me metim de grace tete kra ma.
Me Precious.
Wo kope Precious.
Ono na me.
Precious yo ba. Ne kokko ni ti another day.
I won't be born one.
Precious suban wow. Da.
Because start now support to me. As
I feel my Precious one. Obe je say Precious da o Johnson omo hostel. Na get Aroma ni na jai. O da o Johnson omo hostel ho. Aside that no kra no. Enye no ma pi. Say yes ne pantie ba ko.
Oh boy, no kra.
Ne pantie ba ko pe fit oba school mo nyina ne pantie ba ko pe. Precious no. Nti oba ne pantie ba ko pe one ne kwatama. Wadi.
Says scan me the to provisions na me the out of panties ni dia man. Ana you be say your drama no na we charge you so. Boy me pay girl no.
Na obofro ana.
Me obofro me say. Me pay girl.
Nipa na me say na kire unju uza me say no. Nipa na ni kwan say woni ne tena. Nipa no wonye me na me wo beto mo school ma me na menyim no. E no say ahia. E na secret say won plan say. Secret on Precious ye benfo.
Sa.
Yes, omo nyina dan no abo so no kwate ne bed so. No ai na say. No ai say. Mboko no what bed so. No ai say. Nti nipa obetim na we probi we obi a ne tena ka Aroma jam. Was what did too much.
Oh, send you one answer about one more baby obe frame hostel say you call more one and then
and again no. Again no timu say ya soma no. So me fo obi ne fa ne nya de. One way atena ko tena ko. Omo be twa ohwa akonwa abefo camp
ana ko ntwa Aroma de no. Na Aroma de.
Aroma hu akire wa ya kasa tie. Aroma hu akire ti won ne jai. Oh, yes, all one area of Kwan and Yabuntuni. But my main commission who be here. Oh, the corner me prima. Yeah, me corner family as an sign. Aroma call a passion or sign. My mean, but I mean, to only a me lack. You need to only Aroma. I saw my jai and for some more jai. And I'm coming to that other. I say, get no one. Check out me, Koye, class. How Aroma? Every day, me cry the maybe. Choose still aren't better. Now, about million.
Okay, so when response to story can they
As a mother, soon dear, my baby or quadrant on one test.
see, and I was so don't pay but time it too. And I won't support me being.
Also, you support her?
Yeah, I also him. That's just
A Jiwa. A Jiwa. How many times I called you? I called you 3 times. A Jiwa. I called you 3 times. 3. Don't make so much. Be very careful. I want me off as no. Me off as ni nipa bi a Jiwa. We a nice girl. Oh, baby, sua wa de na akọ. Sabi wa wo fu yi sika na ebo ho ka. Wa wo fu yi sika e de boa so wo be ko wanim. How best school na be yes anima we ya.
What are you talking about?
I know what I'm talking from.
Scanty.
Scanty, yeah, I'm talking about Scanty.
Scanty and I just spoke. Nothing is going on between Scanty and I.
Scanty na wa be fa to no ho so school. Ni din pa di abueska. Ni din no abueska. Ah, ono atabiri sa Scanty na to no ho so na Scanty. Ni din di abueska. Obie nu a wonim no wo ayi ebu akwa. Obie nim no. Sure, me pese wo dey. Ayi mi se wo go check up. So when na ye bibi da, go to check up. Me biu kin na pa nsafo di kura me. Me no pass no. Abo Scanty no, o kura HIV positive.
Hey.
Si asema me ka che no, o AIDS. O wa ya link think me sister wan hwe ya, obe hawo. Enu na nchen. Scanty, he's a rich.
Is that what?
Rich. Scanty were pay for. Where pay for. When yet, wow. Hey, obetiro we nu bonen no. Obetiro nu bonen.
I don't even know why you're talking plenty. There's nothing going on between us.
Say nothing going on, no.
Yeah.
Say between going on, no. Media may catch us stay away from Scanty. Abueska.
I must even stay away from you. I'm not supposed to be seen with you in this school. So I've heard you. I have to understand and then just walk away.
Oh, you can't run why you can't better. Same contumely, dear, see just where you have a photo. Ah, you too for. Ah, you too for now. What person name? Ah, see, I see my make catch on oh future at the Magana. No, over Ghana president. Minim, but it's a one share your boys can destroy our life. So what tell reading a bag of bonocon no I see. The Pia would happen it or chante. She stay away. Joe free no. And wow. Eh, one way or do be couldn't bonny. She na true free no.
It was Aroma. Now it's Scanty.
I'm protecting. I'm just protecting you.
Okay.
May you say the water phone, what to protect our time, you know. Maybe your phone cover. May your phone cover, Messiah will phone protector. Ah, be protected. It is your name, me boy. Men shall say, come no cotum woo. It's a because ah, and to say my pa, BBC or one say my one country me. Boy, yet.
I've heard you in my ear. I've heard you. Okay, I've listened.
And I was how I dear Bako. She, say, we nim. No, we nim. Now, my boy, name wa. Oh, was so muda.
Aroma show.
This guy.
The English, you know, the energy.
English, be a me kotwaya. We in Nameshaya. English bay. Ah, wow, what fancy a wabby Jinaka no more say what fancy bra into ye. Ah, I don't know what to say. What's the training? Kakra was who be near dear free hentino. Wo say nipa. Bibini. Nesen. What's it? So kusi so. Eh.
Kusibana,
Kusibema. So Kusibema. Who say we me age dey? Wa wo fast you. Wa wo fast ni point
can about be a friend Kusibia. How did you Kusibia atemo?
Ah, the misi kusie ma ka kusi, misi kusie. O pass one me. Pass on. Missy Kusie. It's room. Mammy, Infinuati. Infino. I did the sea and the one in. Why?
I mean, I did the Bianca Castle, no be careful.
Be careful, say.
Foolish man take sweet.
She's lying. She's lying. A wise man also takes sweet. What you say?
Who told you?
Follow your heart.
Who told you?
Follow your heart and follow your dream.
Sometimes if you follow your heart, you go to wrong way.
No. Sometimes if you are foolish, you go a wrong way. But sometimes if you are wise, you follow your heart, you go to the right way. One the name say bia, you can't know that your bema ba. No be anim. It's only nentena. Why? Our teachers we when you know
who you say not there?
We when you know yourself say na or prabe show. Why? It's way 91.
Na someone na mo kwase mo mutimi boy djuma na yen.
E dey Ukraine bra. You be wow. In my catch you
know teacher and catch you say over one. Can't you
shame? So
can't you shame?
You to what you're doing, can't you shame? Ah,
what am I doing?
What
am I doing?
If you spoil the boy to you and on one pay what tika wow the said you know ya tika wode fan said and no fast and no till there fan say wa be power the wa an appearance cabepne fan say cabepne
company.
Go Jimmy.
Company.
Also say baba ask hostel you. Restaurants in him.
Ono mu jan hostel ye.
Also say restaurants in him.
I
want to kunya na bubu. Ah?
Ono mu jan hostel ye.
That's all we there. Hey, nice pretty girl. So say mermaid. Who for what? Entie treat teacher. Osro. O sere kura na ehu. O say wafele. Afele wa jobi wani ma agina ho. Mami, if you know what, walk to your dormitory.
I'm leaving.
Leave to your.
I heard whatever you said. So I'm leaving.
Okay.
But call me on.
On floor day. I think I would you know. Also, we teach any fair. And you say be at a crown and maybe I may say one as if may come on.
That's what we marry.
Oh, yeah, sir. Also, me pawas and mediano. Oh, yeah, dear, for Quema was a metinum. So we see the old chassa and names and the church. Oh, now shouldn't I rock a cray? Aunt Tatiana now home.
Ubedu.
My day.
Yeah, you remember the picture be best and my home, mamma. Why?
I don't have picture films.
Or Bema, or we school more.
I don't hear
how much you could chill and not to Saba. I remember more with Jana Boy.
Make of people come at Jimmy. No, Koya, let me make you a chihuahua. Come and say, come as a quail.
I be sure there was some others. I will lie.
And I am for no one.
They can't check.
Say to me, Hostel. Why? To be here. I'm going.
Where the cartings go base you are cartings. Wanyala no.
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the parties they come my way.
Wow, students, we are here to inform you today that we have found a more suitable place to accommodate you people. And we would like to remind each and every one of you, stubbornness, do not take it from here to the new place. Where is that gentleman wearing skirt? Where is it? The one who decided to be a Scottish. You. I know most of the things. Scottish.
Enough!
Right. Be careful. Do you understand? Step back. Say Chase!
Senkapo.
And to add it up, we would like to warn all these girls, these small girls here. If you know you are dating any teacher with the hope that the person will to get to a particular level that you think you are not deserving, be extra vigilant. Because henceforth, you are not going to entertain that nonsense again.
Yes, sir.
Kajiko Chase. And tomorrow, early in the morning,
the boss will be here to convey you people to the new place. So as soon as we disperse you girls and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir.
You do that.
He's not
done.
Get in there.
Please behave.
Pack your things and make sure.
Sir, please, can you come again on the the student dating the teachers?
Why do you want to bring it? Why are you so enthused to know the teacher who is dating who here?
Sir, it's not that I want to know the teacher. It's just that
You are dating Madam Good.
Hey! Silence, please, silence.
Enough.
Sir, why is Sir Chase so angry like that?
What's your problem, gentlemen?
Now what? Behave, please.
I said early in the morning, tomorrow the boss will be here convening people to you. We don't want any, late preparation of whatsoever. The only thing is get in there, pack your belongings, and make sure everybody is intact. I hope you understand me.
Yes,
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
There's this thing I would like to understand. Could you please expatiate? They keep hammering on dating teachers.
Where the auto
is beating.
That place is important.
Yes. Madam.
Will you keep quiet?
Who is dating who?
Hey!
No, I don't understand.
Sir, I have a question. She say no more say move bia and big.
Speak English,
Hey, allow your master.
Mesre, mon country nkoda no. Mon country wo. Say mo say move bia and gidi bia. Akora woni mu abefra mi chin say chains. Ana wo behuru mi no. Wala me twa wo teto twade wo teto nyina be bia. Wallahi.
Na wo ne wo ken. Eya ma.
Emu nhuru me, emu obia behuru me.
Say be anka papa ne credit. What say we gu kom? E be dem kwala influence say chains. Huh? The you do for no so baby. E be dem kwala influence say chains.
We need to address that because that is also his concern. Okay, henceforth, you guys should cease fire. No making of mockery. Because if you make mockery of him, he also decides to do whatsoever he wants to you.
Madam.
So please,